Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Okay guys, I'm on the Saturday tour and I am harvesting some of these green beans and dust. Oh, about to break my neck. I want to pull it out this root because they feel kind of tough. A little bit. So I moved it facing this way because I put this rack right here. But let me see, 3, 6, 8, 9 beans in here. That's all I got. Okay. That was a lot. I'm still fixing my plants on this rack. Got my sun blossomy red succulent back there. They need a new pot. Look at the morning glory. All this time, I thought this was a flower, and I'm growing tomatoes on this plant. See them? There we go. Tomatoes. 5 billion tomato plants. This one, I don't know what it is. Hope it's a flower. Oh, I put my pepper plant close over here so I could get to it by the door. Looks crazy. Everything is crazy. This is a bunch of peppers gonna be growing on it. A little tiny lemon tree. Here is the other lemon tree. It's still okay. Sorry about that. Now this plant. Ouch, ouch. This tree don't like the sun, so I had to move it. I'm gonna move it again. Getting ready to barbecue. This because we're getting ready to barbecue. The big old giant tomato plant. Oh, rosemary, avocado, lemon, or orange. This might be a tomato plant too. How did I get confused? Thinking I was growing flowers and it's nothing but tomatoes. Cosmo not ready. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go because I got to do something else today. Look at my little asylum that I shared with you guys the last time. The mother ivy, the cactus, my string beans, and I gotta still clean that out. Little short garden tour Saturday. I'm gonna put the host name on the video, y'all. I moved this guy over here because he was getting weather abused, so he had to get out the, out the water. right, I think we're gonna close out with some pictures. Gardening community, I have harvested these beans. Now, I thought it was green bean because, wait, let me show you. I broke one open. Excuse my hand all in the way. Broke one open and it looked like that on the inside. So I thought it was a green bean. Then I broke another one open and this bean is in there. So are they string beans, green beans, or some other kind of, what is that bean? Did I pick them too soon? Because that one ain't got, that one I broke in half ain't got no bean. So what the heck am I doing? Please help Miss Janita in the gardening community. What kind of beans? Are they string beans with, oh, you know what? These might be, y'all think these are string beans, huh? Not sweet peas. I thought it was green peas, but no, that ain't no green pea. That's a, maybe it's green beans. Like string beans. Let me know, y'all. Thank you. Thanks for your time and support.